Hello everyone! Today we will briefly present our study titled Collaborative Vocabulary-Based Activities to Improve Oral Production in Beginner EFL Learners with Limited Exposure to English. In this video, we will share the main problem we observed and the key insights from our research. When we observe beginner EFL students in the classroom, we often notice something interesting. Many students understand basic grammar and even know some vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking, they hesitate, remain silent, or rely on memorized expressions.
This observation led us to a key question. Why do beginner learners struggle to speak even when they have some language knowledge? Most studies tend to examine either affective factors like confidence and anxiety or linguistic factors such as vocabulary knowledge. However, fewer studies explore how these two dimensions interact in real classroom contexts.
Our study focused precisely on this intersection. We explored how affective conditions and vocabulary knowledge work together in shaping a student's oral production in a beginner EFL context with limited exposure to English.
What we discovered is that speaking difficulties were not caused by vocabulary limitations alone. Students often knew some words, but they hesitated to use them because they lacked confidence or feared making mistakes. At the same time, limited vocabulary also reinforced this insecurity, creating a cycle where students avoided speaking because they felt they did not have enough language to express their ideas.
However, when vocabulary practice was integrated with collaborative and communicative activities, students began to participate more actively. Small group tasks helped reduce anxiety, while structured vocabulary support gave students the linguistic resources they needed to express themselves.
Our study suggests that improving oral production in beginner learners requires addressing both dimensions simultaneously, expanding students' vocabulary while also creating supportive environments that encourage them to speak.
In other words, speaking development is not only about knowing more words, it is also about feeling confident enough to use them.
Thank you for your attention.